Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again. Thanks for stopping by. We have taken a little hiatus from our trips this summer. And since we decided to put a video together for you all just to give you some of the things that we have done to our Jayco Redhawk since we've gotten it. Just 6 things. Some may think necessary, I think helpful and convenient for us, but we'll let you choose. So yeah, that's what we've decided to do.
Yeah, guys, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that notification bell so you can get our upcoming videos, and give us a thumbs up if you like it or if you find it helpful. But some of these things, I just get a little crazy and I want to do things to the camper, but stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're running a little contest right now for a couple of products that we have available. It's a tote bag and a coffee cup with Campers Going to Camp. So just to enter it, just leave a comment of Campers Going to Camp on any of our videos. Go check out our Facebook page because we'll be announcing the winners over there probably, or no, on Sunday for sure. But to enter it, just do that. Or you can go over to our website, which there'll be a link in this video, where you can go over to our website and join our mailing list. Hi guys, welcome back. Number 1, this was a big one for me. I'm gonna take it.
Yep.
It is the TV mount in the master bedroom. I love laying down in bed after the campfire or whatever daily activities that we have taken part of that day, and I like chilling out and I like watching the TV for a few minutes. She's a reader, I'm a TV person. So, but this one, you'll see the compartment it had, our cabinet door. I didn't want to mess with the cabinet door, so I just bought a piece of plywood, painted it black, put a hole in it, and used all the original mount and added some additional hardware to it. But as you can tell, I just threw the TV mount on it, threw the wires through, and you'll still be able to access the big storage area behind the TV, which I think it looks good. You can't even really tell. I've had a lot of comments on other videos that we have done pertaining to this TV mount and what we did, which I just wanted to be cheap. I didn't want to go buy another expensive TV mount. I didn't want to throw or ruin or just go buy another panel door. So I was just trying to be cheap, and it actually was, it worked out really good.
You just had to add an extra closing clasp or whatever those are called. There's a name for them, I'm sure, because it would pop open on
during traveling.
So you have to have 2 instead of just the 1. It's according to, I guess, probably how heavy the TV is.
Yes.
So that was our first must that he had to have. Number 2. What I decided was a need for me was a new shower head. I didn't like having to try to find the perfect temperature every time you turned it on and off, because we are ones that wash, turn off. I mean, we try to save water when we're camping, put it that way. So that is one thing. The handle of the new shower head has the on-off switch, so you can keep the water at the temperature you want, turn it on and off, save water.
And it's a nice shower head too.
It is a nice one.
It's a good shower for a camper. We didn't use ours a lot, but this one in our travel trailer, but this one's really nice.
Yes.
So
that was a need for me.
Number 3, a new mattress pad for the master bedroom. We all know that camper mattresses are really, really terrible. I don't know of anybody that's ever purchased a new camper or motorhome and been happy with the mattress pad.
And if you have, kudos, because that's a win-win.
You just lucked out. But yeah, we got a new mattress pad. We decided to go that route instead of getting a whole new mattress. It's a little bit cheaper, but I have to say, this one's a whole lot better than what we had in our travel trailer.
Yes.
So we've decided to really upgrade the master bedroom mattress pad. And we'll leave a link in the description of this where you can get the exact same one that we have. But we took our old one from the travel trailer and cut it up and then put it in our bunk beds for the kids, which
Yes.
has really helped them out as well as sleeping, because I think it was a 4-inch as well. So it's made the bunk beds a whole lot more comfortable for the kids.
I agree with that. I think our daughter and youngest son would agree with that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this leads us to number 4, the windshield cover. This, I'm talking to all the motor home owners out there. Sorry, travel trailer owners, but this one is not for you. This is for the cab, and it's to cover the windshield and the side windows. It goes on the outside, very useful to keep the heat out. I was actually really shocked when we got that one on.
It does a great job.
Our oldest dog likes to go into the cab when we're gone, I think to warm up. I'm not sure, but she always sneaks back in before we get home. But it does help out tremendously to keep the hot air out, the cold air out as well during the winter. You know what I mean. You know what I mean.
It does. It, like you said, it did a really good job.
It did a really great job. So we will actually put a thumbnail. Did I say it right? Thumbnail? Link
Link in the description.
in the description for you to go see the one that we have. I suffer.
Number 5 is a map on the side of our motorhome.
Yes.
Which is not a requirement, guys, but
It's for fun.
it's for fun. We got it because we wanted one on a travel trailer, because we had traveled to 5 or 6 different states, and you can go back and look at some of the campgrounds that we had visited. But the kids always commented about wanting one, so we started all over and put one on the motorhome, and have been. I think it's been pretty fun to keep up, and
It has.
it kind of gives us a goal, but darn quarantine.
Darn quarantine. Because he won't let me put our past states on there with the old travel trailer.
Yes.
So we had to
Yes.
start all over
We're
again.
starting fresh with this motorhome.
So we're down a couple of states.
We're definitely down,
We're down a
but
couple.
we would have been through a whole lot more if it wasn't for the COVID-19 type stuff, because we've had to cancel a lot of plans. But that's a whole nother video. But number 5 is a map. It's been really fun. The kids have enjoyed putting the stickers up, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can get your own.
All right, so that leaves us with our last one, which is number 6. And I have to say, this is more Rick and our son David's little project. And that was outside lights that go underneath the trailer. This can be done with any trailer, camper, trailer, but they love it. It's like a disco outside underneath our camper.
At times. I mean,
When David's had the control,
Yes.
when David has the control, it's a disco.
But-
Red, white, blue, green, purple. I don't know what all colors.
I mean, it has a remote. It's really simple. I'll leave some pictures and stuff, but it was super easy to do. But it's really nice because we have LED lights on our awning, and sometimes at night, if it's really windy and all that stuff, we are not leaving our awning, no matter when we have tie downs.
Yeah, we do.
We have things, but if it's really windy, we're not leaving it out. So we won't. The lights are not really, I don't think, adequate without this. So I decided to put one on underneath, and it really makes it handy when you're taking the dogs out and stuff like that in the dark, especially for the kids and especially with the remote, you can just turn it on, turn it off before you go to bed. But I'll leave a link in the description as well, where you can get your own. Super easy install. We actually did this on the campground. My son and I, took us just a few minutes to do it, and wow, it is so nice. I really like it.
No arguments either. I wasn't there really, so there might have been an argument.
But guys, thanks for watching. We hope that you find this helpful. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and until next time.
God bless and safe travels.
Bye.
Bye. And here's a bonus feature coming at you. We have ordered some things off our website just to show you all how cute they are. Loving the camping life. It's a little sticker that you can put on your car, your camper.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty sweet.
That might have to be a giveaway in the future.
Yes, we haven't even seen these yet. We cut them open here, but we haven't seen them yet. And here is, how cute. They are running pants that says, "Life is better at the
By the camp.
by the campfire." You're definitely going to see it when I have these on. You'll be able to read them.
That's cool. I want to see my stuff.
Where's I know you opened them, or
It's that big hole.
It's the big hole. Oh, another tote.
For a giveaway.
Loving the camping life.
Matches the sticker.
It does match the sticker.
Must be a plan there somewhere.
Must be. There's that one. We've got all kinds of different things on our website. All different kinds of clothes. I know you like.
We definitely need some instructions on how to open this bag.
Camping. Here we go again. This is our official campground shirt or slogan.
Looks really comfortable.
It's soft.
I love soft,
It's
comfortable
soft.
shirts.
Yeah.
This one's mine.
Yeah, that one.
I think I ruined my other one.
I think so. Ooh,
It's a baby shirt.
it's a baby. I hope not. I hope it fits. Is this for me or for our daughter? Because I never know.
Loving the camping. I love
Love the
that design.
camping life. I love that. And it's a very airy shirt, moms and women. Because camping
Keep you
is
cool.
hot. Okay. Last but certainly not least,
I think this is your shirt.
is this still my shirt?
This one's yours.
No.
Yeah, one
Is
of them
it?
is.
Is it one mine? Okay. We're pushing the loving the camping life.
It's very colorful.
It is colorful. That's why I love it.
It's very cool.
I think
like the one.
this is David's, I think. And the next one is mine, my favorite color. Yellow. I love how bright it is. So this one's mine.
Very nice, yes.
So I said last but not least, I'm pretty sure on the last one, and then Rick threw another one on me. One more. And this is a coffee mug. I don't drink coffee, but I drink hot chocolate.
I think it would work the same.
It will. It'll work the same. And this is another Loving the Camping Life. If y'all have never noticed, we actually do wear some of our shirts that we sell. But this is our new little design that we came up with and thought it was just fun for the whole family, for kids, for me. I love it. It's very colorful, but definitely
It's very colorful.
definitely
and
catches your eye.
very true.
It is. It is true.
Right.
So hopefully you all have liked this video and safe travels. God bless. We'll see you next time.
Bye.